အခုဆိုရင်ဥစားမေရီကျောင်းဆင်းပွဲအတွက်သွားနေတယ်ဒီမှာလန်ကီတစ်ခြားလုံးကတော့တတရဲရပါတော့
လူစုံတို့ဤလမ်းတွင်မရမနေမတီမဲမြင်ပြူသောသူတို့ဤစီဝေနိုင်မထိုင်ကောင်းရဖျားဤတရားတော်၌မွေးလျော်၍ရာတော်ကိုနေညမပြတ်စင်ခြင်းအောင်မေသောသူသည်မင်္ဂလာရှိမူကားထိုသူသည်မျက်နှာမှာဆိုင်ရဲ့မိမိချိန်ဓမ္မတိဘုဒ္ဓရွယ်မညိုနွမ်းတတ်သောအပင်နဲ့တူဤပြူလေသမျှဒို့နိုင်အောင်လေးသတည်းတရားသောတော်မူကားထိုကဲ့သို့တိုင်းရွယ်လွင်သောပွဲနဲ့လူကြ၏ထိုကြောင့်တရားဆုံးပြန်တော်မူရာကာလ၌တရားသောသူတို့သည်မတီးမနေရကြဖြောင်းမသောသူတို့၏ပေါင်းတဲ့သို့လူစိုးတို့ဒီမဝင်ရကြကြောင့်မူကားဖြောင်းမသောသူတို့ဤလမ်းကိုထာဝရဘုရားတိကျွမ်းတော်မူ၏မတရားသောသူတို့ဤလမ်းသည်ဆုံးရှုံးခြင်းသို့ရောက်ရလိမ့်သည်
I want to thank my parents for all that they have done for me. Both of them have worked so hard so that I could live a safe life and have the chance of opportunity. I want to give thanks to my dad, who has been one of my biggest supporters, and I'm so grateful for him. I admire his strength, persistence, and his love for singing. Growing up, he would always sing gospels, and it has shown me a more open view of how I can keep a song of music in my heart. There are those few times when my dad cooks, but when he does, they are always super good. He'll always make me delicious tea, with navia, and many other yummy foods. It is always such a special treat. Some people might find him a little intimidating at first, but he has a soft and kind heart. He listens to me, supports my interests, and always picks up on me. He's a hard worker and loves to capture the special moments on camera, which reminds me to slow down and appreciate the little things too. Next, I would like to give thanks to my mom. My mom is a strong woman. She has gone through difficult trials and challenges taking care of me. But she does everything out of love. She is always giving me wise advice, and one that really stands out is, time does not wait for you, so live it wisely to the fullest and live it well. My mom has also shown me what it means to be kind, compassionate, and truly care for others. She's taught me that not just through her words, but through her own sympathetic and caring nature. She always goes out of her way to make sure I eat good food with her cooking. Her love is constant and her strength inspires me every day. I would also like to thank my sister Cindy. She's someone that gives great advice and someone that I can always talk to or just vent to. Whether it's helping me through tough moments, giving honest advice, or simply being there to listen. She always finds a way to support me, and I can always learn something new from her. I can always look forward to having fun with her too, playing Roblox or any other random games, going out shopping, or enjoying some delicious food. Lastly, I would like to thank God, everyone who has supported me along the way. God has truly blessed me with a community of people I can learn from and make meaningful, cherishable memories with.
Mati me mien piu do tu do isi we nai matai Kaura pia itia do nai mwe liao yue Ya do go ni nya ma pian sin jen ao me do tu di Mengala shi Chao mu ga thâu tu di mien na ma Sai ye mi mi chain Damati go ti yue Yue ma nyo no tat to apene Tu i piu le the mya Do nai aung lay the di Dia do tro mu ga thâu ge do mo ho Le tai yue luen do pwe Du jai Thô chao tia song pia Do mu ya ka la nai Tia do tu do di ma ti ma ne Ya ja Piao ma do Tu do yi paung ten Te do Lu zo do Bi ma wen Ya ja Chao mu ga Mất tóc từ đôi lăng go power up ya đi chân đo mũi mà dia đo từ đôi lăng đi sông sông trên đâu giàu ya lấy the đi Day ya do tu do I dai dong chen do ma la Lu zo do I lan dwe ma ya ma ne Ma ti me mien piu do tu do I si we nai ma tai Tao ra pia I tia do nai mwe liao yue Tia do go Ni nya ma pia sin jen Ao me do tu di Mengala shi Chao mu ga Thâu tu di mien na ma Sai ye mi mi chain Damati go ti yue Ya ma nyo no tat to apene Don't I lay the D Dia do tro mu ga thâu ge do mo ho Le tai yuen le lo pwe ne du jai Ho chao tia song pian do mu ya ka la nai Dia do tu do di ma ti ma ne ya ja Ma do tu do I paung ten te do Lu zo do Di ma wen ya ja Chao mu ga Piao ma do tu do I Lan go Hao ra pia I chuan do mu I Dia do tu do I Lan Sông sông trên đâu giàu ya lấy the đi Tia do tu đâu I làm đi Sông sông trên đâu giàu ya lấy the đi